Welcome to part 1 of our Closed Captioning for Beginners course. Today we're going to walk through how to transcribe your video. Transcription is the process of taking the audio and converting it to text. This can be done manually by a person or automatically using the power of AI. Automatic transcription can be highly accurate depending on the quality of the audio. However, manual transcription may be preferred when the audio quality is poor or there are multiple speakers that overlap. There is some content, such as music, that should be transcribed manually. Let's get started and click Create Project. Closed Caption Creator will scan the media and verify that the frame rate of the file matches the project settings. If the frame rate and project settings are different, an alert will appear asking if you would like to update the project settings. To automatically transcribe our video, head over to the primary toolbar and click the AI Tools function. Select Automatic Transcription. Here you can pick the service provider of your choosing and the video's source language. Click Submit Job. Closed Caption Creator will upload the file to secure cloud storage where will be transcribed. Once a file has been transcribed, it will show as completed in the transcript import dashboard. I'll select my completed job and click the Import as Subtitles option at the bottom of the dashboard. Let's play back our video to view the results.
She's a real weenie, that one, isn't it? Oi, Phil, how are those sausages coming?
Almost ready.
Now let's try manually transcribing our video. Closed Caption Creator provides a number of different tools to make manual transcription a little easier. The first setting you'll want to explore are the shortcut keys. To add your own shortcuts, you can go to the left-hand side of the secondary toolbar and select the last icon, Shortcut Keys. I'll set shortcuts for video playback, reversing 3 seconds and inserting a new event. There are a number of shortcuts you can customize based on your comfort level. The next setting you'll want to explore is the playback speed control found underneath the video player. For beginners, you may wish to set playback to 75%. The last setting that can help when manually transcribing your video is the pause while typing option. This will automatically stop the video whenever you edit the text of a subtitle event. Now we're ready to start transcribing our video. Notice as I type, the video automatically pauses and resumes once I finish. To create a new event, I'll use the Insert Event shortcut I set previously. You can also insert new events using the green plus icon at the bottom of the selected event or from the secondary toolbar near the top. It's easy enough to use the reverse shortcut to go back in 3-second increments. We'll cover spotting, also known as queuing, in our next video lesson. For now, let's save our progress by going to File, Save As, and clicking on Save Project. This is the first video in our Captioning for Beginner series. Be sure to check out the rest of the course and subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new videos.